They say you can tell a lot about someone by what they do when no one is watching. Quietly, for over 20 years, love has guided Subaru to protect our world. Subaru was the first car company to pioneer reusing, recycling, and repurposing 100% of our manufacturing waste, helping us achieve zero landfill status in all of our factories. Because love means helping the environment. Subaru then shared our zero landfill knowledge freely with over 900 companies, because love means helping others. Our factory was even designated a backyard wildlife habitat by the National Wildlife Federation, because love means caring for nature. Subaru engineered our products to have among the lowest emissions in the industry, exceeding EPA standards, because love means keeping the air clean. Subaru retailers even collect hard-to-recycle plastics and turn them into durable benches for school playgrounds, because love means recycling. When our nation's forests were devastated by wildfires, Subaru worked with our retailers to replant 1 million trees, because love means taking action. To help our national parks become more sustainable, we shared our zero landfill expertise and became the National Park Foundation's largest corporate donor. Because love means leaving a legacy. If we all do our part today, there will be more to love tomorrow. And now, the company that has been loving the Earth for decades is proud to take the next step in our environmental story by introducing our first fully electric vehicle, the Subaru Solterra Zero-Emissions Electric SUV. The capability of Subaru all-wheel drive, versatile, reliable, and safe. Built to help you protect the environment while you explore it. Subaru's love of the Earth was ahead of its time, and so were our efforts to protect our environment, because it has always been our mission to do the right thing. You're going to love owning a Subaru, and we're going to love taking care of you. Subaru, more than a car company.